Bro, finally done. No more exams.
So what's the plan?
Free tutorials, AI, everything's online.
Watching someone design and actually designing are different.
You're overthinking. Self-discipline is the key.
I've been researching some programs. There's this one in Shivaji Nagar, a studio incubator. Been around since 2015. Their mentors actually work with Fortune 500 companies. Real studio environment, not a classroom.
Sounds expensive.
Maybe I'm still researching.
I finished like 20 tutorials. It's going. What about you?
Yesterday, my mentor reviewed my wireframe and he said I'm on the right track.
Wireframe? I know that.
But have you made one for a real problem?
I'm building up to that.
There's a difference between watching someone cook and actually cooking.
Okay, Master Chef. I'll figure it out. Hey, you done for today?
The mentor reviewed every screen and explained what could be improved.
How do you actually decide what to design when no one's telling you what to make?
That's actually the skill. The brief gives direction. Design thinking is what mentorship builds.
I know all this, but when I sit down to make something, I don't know where to start.
You should have joined Studio Incubator, yaar.
It's fine. I'll figure it out.
You've been saying that since the cafe.
Hey, I got shortlisted.
That's amazing. Congratulations.
The portfolio made the difference. Every project was a real client brief.
I'm still working on mine.
Aryan, you've been saying that for months.
You could have joined Studio Incubator.
I thought I'd learn it myself.
You learned. But what did you actually build?
You were right. I should have joined Studio Incubator.
Then start now. It's not too late.